Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sangeeta, your physiotherapist and nutritionist. Today we are going to discuss about a new diet called as NIMI diet. Do you want to lose weight in a healthy way and also prevent chronic health conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, etc.? Do you know one miracle diet can help you lose weight and also prevent chronic health conditions, that too without counting calories, just by promoting your gut health? Yes, scientists have designed a new diet known as NIMI diet, that is non-industrialized microbiome restore diet. This NIMI diet will help us lose weight in a healthy way without counting calories and also prevent chronic health conditions like diabetes by just promoting good gut health. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started and understand this NIMI diet, that is non-industrialized microbiome restore diet.
So, what is NIMI diet? NIMI diet means non industrial microbiome restore diet that encourages high fiber intake to support good bacterial growth in our intestine, thereby aim to reset our gut microbiome and promote general health. So, what is gut microbiome? Gut microbiome refers to trillions of bacteria that live in our gut. Is this diet about resetting gut microbiome? Then, how is this NIMI diet related to weight loss? To answer this question, we must know about a recent high quality research conducted in Canada. Scientists suspect that ultra processed food we eat in industrial world which is devoid of fiber impacts our gut bacteria in a negative way because fiber we eat which cannot be digested by our digestive enzymes acts as food for our gut bacteria. These bacteria feed on the fiber we eat and produce chemicals like short chain fatty acids. These short chain fatty acids have very beneficial effects on our body. Mainly, the three short chain fatty acids produced by friendly gut bacteria like acetate, propionate, and butyrate can provide excellent health benefits. They reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, prevent obesity, reduce the risk of heart disease, and also inflammatory diseases. So, scientists believe that restoring good gut microbiome can prevent chronic non communicable diseases. To prove this, scientists conducted a study in Canada. In this study, with 30 participants, subjects were assigned randomly to follow their normal routine diet or a special diet known as Restore diet for 3 weeks. Later, the Restore diet provided to participants of this research is named as NIMI diet, that is non-industrialized microbiome Restore diet by the scientists who designed this diet. After 3 weeks of completion, a washout period of 3 weeks was observed. After 3 weeks of washout period, subjects were crossed over to the other diet. That is, people who were following their routine diet were asked to follow NIMI diet, and people who were following NIMI diet were asked to follow their normal routine diet for another 3 weeks period. Then again followed by 3 weeks of washout period. In this research, participants were also given a probiotic, that is, they were given a bacterium known as Lactobacillus reuteri. This bacterium is not present in people who eat industrialized food, but this bacterium is found in non-industrialized rural population who still eat their traditional foods. This bacterium is also known to provide many health benefits. The NIMI diet provided to participants was high in fiber, containing 22 grams of fiber per 1000 kilocalories. This means more than 40 grams of fiber per day. This is far higher than even the recommended daily allowance of fiber, that is only 25 to 34 grams per day. The Nimi diet provided approximately 60% of total energy from carbohydrates, 15% from proteins, and 25% from fat. So, Nimi diet is not high in protein but provide decent amount of proteins to participants. So, now comes the interesting part of this video. Let's discuss the findings of this study on Nimi diet. Nimi diet, even though reduced microbiome diversity, Nimi diet increased the good bacteria in our gut and reduced bad bacteria that cause inflammation in our body. Nimi diet reduced pH of the gut and also increased short chain fatty acids that are beneficial for our body and also decreased branched chain fatty acids that can cause inflammation in our gut. Nimi diet also increased neuroprotective compounds in blood and reduced compounds related to cancer risk. Interestingly, even though participants were not in calorie restriction, they lost weight in Nimi diet. This research proves that following healthy diet will result in weight loss over a period of time even if we are not restricting our calories too much. Interestingly, Nimi diet also reduced bad cholesterol in blood by 17%. It reduced both LDL and HDL in blood. Nimi diet reduced blood sugar level by 6%. Nimi diet also reduced C reactive protein, that is a marker of inflammation and heart disease, by 14%. In simple words, Nimi diet help in weight loss and also it decreases the risk of chronic non-communicable diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, heart diseases, etc. And Nimi diet also reduces the risk of cancer. So now let's discuss the important aspect of Nimi diet, that is what should we eat in Nimi diet. Nimi diet is rich in whole plant-based foods but not a vegetarian diet. Nimi diet is primarily made of whole grains, vegetables, legumes and fruits but also includes one small serving of animal protein like egg, fish, chicken or pork daily. To follow Nimi diet, choose plant-based proteins often. This includes pulses like beans, peas, lentils, soy products like tofu, edamame, tempeh, etc., nuts and seeds, and also nut butters. If desired, one can include animal-based proteins but less often in Nimi diet. Enjoy fish or chicken but only one serving per day. Limit red meat like mutton, beef, etc. to only one serving per week. Enjoy low or full fat dairy products like yogurt 3 times a week, but fat percentage should be less than 5%. Avoid processed meats and high fat dairy like cream, butter, high fat cheese, etc. But note that in the Nimi diet study, participants were in no dairy, no beef, and no wheat diet. These foods were excluded in research simply because they are not part of the traditional foods consumed by rural Papua New Guineans. But scientists do not recommend completely removing them in their general recommendation for Nimi diet. So you can include dairy and wheat in Nimi diet. Eat a very high amount of dietary fiber. Nimi diet is high fiber diet containing an average of 44 grams of fiber daily, which is higher than current dietary recommendations, that is between 25 to 38 grams per day. So aim to get more than 40 grams of fiber daily. Increase the amount of fiber you eat slowly to avoid uncomfortable symptoms like stomach cramps or bloating. Avoid highly processed foods. Foods made in factories are high in added sugars, salt and or fat. This includes processed meats, pastries, chips, biscuits, and fast food, etc. Finally, Nimi diet scientists say eat foods that your grandparents would have recognized with the ingredients that you have in your kitchen. So, to sum up, Nimi diet is a high fiber diet with decent amount of protein in it. Nimi diet includes whole grains like millets, legumes, and pulses, a lot of vegetables and fruits. Nimi diet considers plant based foods like legumes, seeds, and nuts for protein and includes one serving of animal protein per day. Though Nimi diet aims to reset gut microbiome to improve general health, Nimi diet also promotes weight loss. Although I personally do not recommend any fancy diet, when it comes to Nimi diet, although the name looks trendy, the dietary recommendations are the same that we consistently say in our channel too. That is, eat whole grains, lot of veggies, and minimize processed foods. So I give a big thumbs up for Nimi diet. But a word of caution, people who have sensitive gut, especially people with inflammatory bowel disease like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, will not be able to tolerate high fiber recommended by Nimi diet. So, slowly increase your fiber intake week by week and do not jump to 44 grams of fiber immediately. The link to read Nimi diet research paper published in Cell Journal is provided in the description, and also check Nimi diet Instagram page to find the recipes updated by Nimi diet scientist.
So this is what a Nimi diet is. Please let me know if you would like to follow this diet for weight loss and healthy living. Please like, comment and share if you find this content useful, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Good day.